Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. I did have Pepsi as a breakout, as one of my breakout strategies. We are up 60% on these calls. The funny part is I had no idea it had earnings. Again, this was just played out. They absolutely beat earnings, right? 100%. They beat it by what, like 20, almost 20 cents, about 19 cents. But I had no idea they had earnings, and they're absolutely killing it, right? I'm gonna be holding these for a little bit longer. Again, if we do hit maybe like a 90 to 100% gain on these, I'll be selling maybe about 80%. So I'll be selling about 8 contracts, maybe sometime and then sometime this week. But again, only if we do hit a percentage of 80, 90, 100%. If we do run, because my actual take profit for this is 157. So as soon as we hit 157, if we hit 157, then I will be selling the rest. But I think for the most part, if Pepsi keeps running and I do see a return of anywhere above 80%, I will be taking profit on 8 of the contracts and letting the rest of them run. So just a quick update on Pepsi. It's running because of earnings. I don't think it's running because of the breakout strategy. But still, either way, we're in it. So I'm completely happy with it. I'll see you guys later.